students, welcome to my class. Today I am taking a question from chapter 5 arithmetic progression. This is the second question of question number 1 from exercise 5.3. According to this question, we are going to find the sum of this AP up to 12th term. How can we find the sum of this AP? We can find the sum of this AP by using this formula. This is the very crucial formula for finding the sum of n terms of an AP. Here, Sn equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Here, Sn stands for sum of n terms, n stands for number of terms, a stands for first term, and d stands for common difference. So, we are going to find the sum of this AP. We have first term A. The first term of this AP is minus 37, and the value of D. The value of D, how can we find the value of D? By subtracting the first term from the second term. Minus 33 minus 37. We can find the common difference when we will subtract second term from the third term. Here we are subtracting the first term from the third term, from the second term. So the value of D is equal to 4 minus 33 minus and minus plus. Minus 33 plus 37 is equal to 4, and the value of n is what? Here n is given that n equal to 12. So now I am going to find the sum of this AP up to 12 term. As 12, here we are using this formula. Here the value of n is 12. As 12 is equal to 12 by 2. N by 2 means 12 by 2. 2 into A. The value of A is minus 37 plus n minus 1, and the value of n is 12. 12 minus 1 into D. The value of D is 4. Two under 2, 2 6 are 12. 2 into minus 37 is equal to minus 74 plus 12 minus 1, 11. The product of 11 and 4 is equal to 44. 6 into minus 30. The product of 6 and minus 30 is equal to minus 180. So then this is the sum of minus 180 is the sum of this AP. Up to how many terms? Up to 12 terms. It means minus 180 is the sum of this AP up to 12 terms. So the sum of 12 terms of this AP is equal to minus 180. This is the answer. Okay. Children, now we are proceeding to next question. This is the second question of exercise 5.3. Here the instruction is given, find the sums given below. Here the second question of question number 2, first term, second term, third term, and so on. This is the last term. Here we are going to find the sum of these numbers with help of either this formula or by using this formula. In this question, the first term is given, second term is given, third term is given, and the last term is given, but the number of terms is not given. So how can we find the sum of this AP? First of all, we are going to find the number of terms from 34 to 10. How many terms are here of this AP from 34 to 10? First of all, I am going to find the number of terms. The first term is given A is equal to 34, D is equal to 32 minus 34, and last term is, this is the last term, means AN is given. AN is equal to 10. With help of these values, we can find the value of n. Children, we know that AN is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Now we are going to put the value of A, D and A. The value of AN is 10. The value of A is 34. 34 plus n minus 1 into D. The value of D is minus 2. 10 is equal to 34 minus 2n plus 2. 10 is equal to 34 plus 2, 36 minus 2n. 10 minus 36 is equal to minus 2n, minus 26 is equal to minus 2n. Here it gives the value of n is equal to 13. After solving these equations, we will find the value of n. Here the number of terms from 34 to 10 are 30. Now I am going to find the sum of this AP. The first term is 34, D is minus 2 and the value of n is 13. We can find the sum of this AP either by using this formula or by using this formula. Now in this question, we are going to find the sum of this AP by using this formula. We can find the sum of this AP by using this formula. But in this question, I am going to find the sum of this AP by using this formula. This formula is Sn is equal to n by 2 A plus L. Here L is the last term, means AN. AN is the last term. This is the L. This is also L. S13. The value of n is 13. S13 is equal to 13 upon 2. The first term is what? The first term is 34. The value of A is 34. 34 plus the value of n is L. Sorry. The value of L. This is the L. L is equal to 10. 13 upon 2 into 44. 13 into 22. 13 to the 26. 13 to the 26 plus 2. 28. This is the sum of all these terms. It means the 286 is the sum of 34, 32 plus 13 and so on up to 10. Thank you, children.